If Meta comes above this moving average here at 578.37, I'll look to try this again, but right now it's looking a little weak. I'm looking at the 600 calls. What I want to see is if the market bounces. Stop loss would be just under 573. The rest of the market is selling off, but Meta is holding. I just want to be sure I get the right entry. I'm not really a fan of this 5 minute. But if it gets above 577, I wouldn't mind getting in. I've switched to the 595 calls. Okay, I like the way that it's holding. I'm going to enter now.
Order filled.
Got an average fill price here of about 164. Raising my stop here to 573.74. The market is bouncing here, so I'm hoping it starts to make a reversal closer to 10 a.m. here. These premiums with an entry price here for me around 164, they have the potential to go to 250 and then possibly even 315 if it breaks the high of the day. My strategy is to raise my stop loss to protect the downside. The premiums are at 195 right now. The first area that I want to see a break is 580 and 16 cents. Closer to 580 actually. Let's see if we break this level. This is what the daily looks like right now. So if it breaks 578 or holds above it, moves into 580, this will turn into a green candle. Just about 15 seconds left here for 10 a.m. On the 15, we're leaving a large red bottoming tail. Just going to be ready here on the stop loss in case it decides to roll over like it did earlier. Watching my premiums chart here on the left-hand side. Really curious if it can head to 315 on the premium price. I'm going to raise my stop here just above 576. I think it all depends on whether the market is deciding to turn around. As I'm watching the premiums, I can see also that they are fluctuating quite a bit. Once the premiums start holding and increasing in value, it's a good sign, but it can always turn around with Meta. Come on, let's see if we can break 580. Okay, more green candles holding above the previous candle close. Okay, we're just about to break 580. If it can break the high of the day. The premiums are at 267, 272. Premiums are now at $3. It's about 100% now on this contract. Let's see if we can continue. This will be the third 5-minute candle, so I'm okay with closing above the high of the day. Just want to be here if it wants to go further. Okay, I'm raising my stop loss here to 578.30. I'm watching the premiums here at 250. I'm giving away a significant amount of profits by trying to get a bigger move, but I see that they're holding 240, 250. Just the market selling off.
Order filled.
Okay, I'll exit the trade. Okay, I got a fill price here of 237. Still a very profitable trade. I was up quite a bit, but with the market going down, I think it had a chance to move up and got exhausted. But still a great trade. I would like to try Meta again here at this support level. If it holds above 574, maybe even 575. I have the 595 calls.
Order filled.
Okay, I've entered the trade. I have an average fill here of 179. It's a very similar position to what I took earlier. But this time the market is turning around. And if it continues higher, specifically the market, I expect this to move higher as well.
Order filled.
Okay, I've got filled here at I just got filled here at 207. I hit the ask and was waiting to see if it would fill. So I got about close to 30 cents on this trade. Not expecting too much because it could roll over again. It's created a double top. And I gave away significant profits earlier. So I made a little bit of that back.